First, the top news headlines. 112 members in Rajya Sabha already supporting CAB, says BJP sources. Northeast police heads meet to stop smuggling in region. And Centre taking different approach to CAB, says Meghalaya Chief Minister. Hello and good afternoon. I'm ONEL Samandram giving you the Times of Manipur English News. In contrast to the previous Lok Sabha, when the opposition forced a joint parliamentary committee on citizenship amendment bill, with almost every opposition party submitting a dissent note, the support for the controversial legislation to the introduced by the current BJP-led government seems to be growing. When the Union Cabinet yesterday cleared the introduction of the CAB in this winter session, there were indications that many parties earlier critical for the bill were changing track. According to BJP sources, 112 members in the Rajya Sabha are already supporting the CAB and the party is expecting more parties to join them, a media report said. The current strength of the upper house is 238. In its previous term, the government could not push the bill through in the Rajya Sabha due to lack of numbers. The bill approved by the Cabinet Wednesday gave exemption to the inner line permit regime areas and those governed under the 6th schedule of the Constitution. In a meet with delegation from the Northeast Saturday, Union Home Minister Amit Shah assured them that the states in the region would be given some exemptions. Shah has had interactions with different groups from the region, one even early Wednesday. The influential Kirsak Mukhi Sangam Samiti today staged an anti-CAB sit-in demonstration at Dispur Last Gate, Guwahati. The organization chanted slogans against Citizenship Amendment Bill, saying the bill will have serious impact on the Northeast and her people. At the protest site, organization leader Akhil Gogoi appealed to all civil society organizations of Northeast to collectively fight against CAB. According to Kirsak Mukti Sangam Samiti, CAB might be tabled in the Lok Sabha on December 9th and in Rajya Sabha on December 10th. Worried over the increase in smuggling of contraband items from and through the Northeast, Director Generals of Police of all 8 Northeast states held a day-long crucial meeting in presence of Narcotics Control Bureau (NCB), Director General Rakesh Asthana and Deputy Director General B. Radhika in Agartala yesterday, a media report said. Senior officials of the Border Security Force, Assam Rifles, Central Reserve Police Force, Central Industrial Security Force, and intelligence agencies and other law enforcing agencies also attended the meeting. After a day-long meeting, NCB Asthana told reporters that the basic discussion was held on drug abuse and drug trafficking scenario in the northeastern states and have tried to devise strategies to curb the drug menace effectively. The Northeast region, which shares international borders with China, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan, has been used as a drug corridor, smuggling for a long time. Meghalaya Chief Minister Konark Sangma expressed hope that the central government has addressed the issue and concerns raised by several political parties and civil society groups on the Continuous Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019. Sangma said unlike last year, the concerns of the people of Northeast were taken into account on the bill, according to a media report. Sangma said this time the centre has taken a different approach to the bill and initiated communications with the state governments. Moreover, he said that in the recent discussions with Union Home Minister Amit Shah, leaders of different political parties and civil society organizations had also expressed their concerns on how the indigenous peoples in Meghalaya will be affected by the bill. Konark was of the view that the fact that the centre has also agreed to make amendments in the whole process also shows that it is concerned about the effects that it could have in the rest of the Northeast. Union Cabinet yesterday gave its note to the CAB that seeks to provide Indian nationality to Hindus, Christians, Sikhs, Parsis, Jains and Buddhists, filling persecution in Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh. Now we have a short commercial break, but coming up we have Cycle Relay marks World Soil Day 2019 in Imphal. More after the break.
Takshila Institute, most trusted national brand with 27 centers pan-India. 21 plus years experience in NEET G coaching. Highly qualified IITians, NITians and doctor as permanent faculties. 25,000 plus success stories in the past 21 years. Online, offline, doubt clearing session. Study materials designed by Takshila Research and Development Cell. Smart class with centralized live classes from head office at Delhi. 24 hours Wi-Fi campus. Brought to you by Heritage Convent at Thangwaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Contact number 600-944-5522.
Admission Notice 2020. Heritage Convent, Oripok Bachaspati Laikai and Naramthong Khulem Laikai, Imphal, Manipur. Admission open for preparatory, nursery and KG. Minimum age for preparatory 3+ years, for nursery 4+ years, for KG 5+ years as on 1st of April 2020. Application form available from the school office at Heritage Convent Campus 1 at Oripok Bachaspati Laikai on 8th of December, Sunday 2019, between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Choosing the right school for your child is one of the most important decisions you will make in your child's life. Come, be a part of the Heritage family. Prospectus will be issued against production of birth certificate. For further details, please contact Heritage Convent.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi. Wedding sets karayenge.
Sure, ma'am. Sige sesi anu yorokuni, ma'am. Imbi.
제 세상 파즈드로. 세상 파즈드로 제.
Mobile furniture and wedding season asigi oina discount up to 30% ki khudong chao pijari.
Welcome back after the break. A cycle rally was held today in Imphal to mark the World Soil Day 2019. The cycle rally was flagged off from Kangla Main Gate in the heart of Imphal city. It was organized by the Green Foundation and Farmers Club Kaino under the joint aegis of Mabart and Manipur Adventure and Mountain Bikers Association. On the occasion, Manipur Agriculture Commissioner M. Joy stated that soil conservation is everyone's responsibility.
Different walks of life, the Liberiba, Parza, Kudingmak, Farmer, Kudingmak, Aduga organization, Kudingmagna, Mating Pangbidana, World Soil Day, Tim Masibu, Pazana, Wahan Tok, Adu Akogi, Tabak when Tokota, Kudimak Saru Yaminasi.
The first annual Women Meet 2019 of Lamjingba Group was held today at Classic Hotel, North AOC, Imphal. Sanasam Jeki Singh, Chairman Lamjingba Group, Waikom Herojit Singh, Managing Director Lamjingba Group, Directors Mutum Byron Singh, Mutum Rakis Maite, Salam Asok Singh and Laimapokpam Malimnganba Maite attended the event as Chief Guest, President and Guest of Honours respectively. A house caught fire at Haubamarak, Kangjam Laikai of Imphal West this morning. The house belongs to one Ibocho who is said to have been an advocate. A team of Manipur Fire Service backed by locals fought the blaze and managed to control it from further devastation. The cause of the fire was unclear, a report said. Writers Forum Imphal has announced to confer Kundongbam Brozendro Ningsing Mana 2020 on eminent Sumang Lila writer Yumnam Rajin. The award carries Rs 25,000, a memento and a shawl, according to a press release from the forum. Under the sponsorship of National Commission for Women, Government of India, the Centre for Rural Empowerment and Development Organisation is organising a 2-day workshop on intervention to improve the mental health of widows of injecting drug users in Manipur as a strategy for HIV prevention at Lamyan Basanglen, Imphal from December 7 to 8. Now we have another short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Private Sports Academy Guwahati is organizing a training camp trial selection under All Manipur Football Association at Kuman Lampak from 7th of December to 11th of December 2019. For the session 2020, students between class 3 to 8 may kindly visit Private Sports Academy to avail proper education and sports facilities. Private Sports Academy Guwahati for Manipur branch is open for players studying between class 3 to 8. 30 professional football players between 18 to 23 years old will be recruited with rupees 5,000 to 30,000 as monthly salary. For online submission, mail us at abungcha542@gmail.com. Also contact us at 700-5235-638 or 8753943830.
Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tawge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan tawge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba. School du da dum changnai coaching tohanba.
Mama paga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam ki topper su puthokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Welcome back. The Indian Air Force today said Air Chief Marshal RKS Bhadauria was safe following reports of a shooting incident at the Joint Base Pearl Harbor, Hickam in Hawaii, where he is participating in a conclave of air chiefs. A US Navy sailor killed 2 people before taking his own life at the military base in the early hours of the morning, media reports said. The 2 deceased were reportedly civilians working for the US Department of Defense. The motive of the attack has not been ascertained. Another official said that while the IAF chief is staying at the US Air Force base in Pearl Harbor, the incident of shooting took place in the naval base. The officials added that the 2 places are not close to each other. The IAF chief and his team are in Hawaii to participate in the Pacific Air Chiefs Symposium 2019. The theme of the year's symposium is a collaborative approach to regional security. At least 11 people have been killed in Philippines, while hundreds of thousands were evacuated as Typhoon Kamuri pounded large parts of the country, bringing heavy rains and high-velocity winds and damaging a number of properties, officials said yesterday, as per a media report. The National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council said some 1,14,552 families or 4,48,020 persons were being added in evacuation centers after they fled their homes over fear of flooding and landslides. Some 9,360 families or 37,388 were being helped outside. The NDRRMC said overall the number of families affected by the typhoon is at least 5 regions has risen to nearly 1,24,000, the council said. Now we have the sports news. The 17th edition of Veteran Cricket Tournament organized by Manipur Veteran Cricket Association has kicked off today at Langtabal Public Ground. Langtabal, 8 teams are participating in the 14-day-long tournament. The 14th Kung Fu Black Belt grading ceremony was held on November 1st at RRL Complex, Sarjapura, Bangalore. Altogether, 42 Kung Fu students from different states including Assam, West Bengal, Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh and Goa took part in the ceremony. Black belts were awarded to 21 students who are above 18 years of age. Best Performer award was given to 16 students on the occasion.
Kung Fu gi magi benefit amagi kanaba singsi moi khangamdaba adubu makoi gi masa singsina sanarakanda Kung Fu dagi fangiba koi gi systematic discipline myoi bagi thakshi khasi maromdom hingjaba masana masagi self management tawjaba mama par depend tawdaba lamcha sajat fajaba character asungba mayam si urukpada development si urukpada koi lairika yamna chunaba poni aduga amuksu koi gi physical exercise ta masidi koi gi body equipments yaudaba isagi own body de sanajaba injure oibagi changsu yamna watpa adugumba masana ni masidi.
Now let's have a look at the local newspaper headlines. The Sangha Express. 12 hours before cabinet passed CAB, Shah met Northeast representatives. Amit Shah assures measures to protect Manipur. Congress max stand against CAB clear to Amit Shah. Himanta Biswa Sharma suggests ILPS for Manipur. Nazma attends Nata Sankritana celebration. Union cabinet clears CAB, likely to be tabled in parliament next week. The People's Chronicle. Shah assures safeguard from CAB, Manpack cautions. Cabinet clears CAB. Neso flares centre's decision. Kokomi urges government to convene special assembly. Shiv Sena to oppose bill in parliament. Ex-Chief Minister Ibobi skeptical on meet with Amit Shah. Imphal Free Press. Union Cabinet clears Citizenship Amendment Bill. ILP areas of Arunachal, Nagaland, Mizoram exempted from Citizenship Bill. Amit Shah's consultations meet on CAB hogwash, says O. Ibobi. The Morning Bell. Amit Shah assures effective mechanism to protect Manipur from Citizenship Bill. Congress skeptical about Home Minister's assurance. Won't accept Naga Territorial Council under any circumstances, says Kokomi. Cabinet clears Citizenship Bill, likely to be taken up in Parliament next week. 1 dead, 3 injured in road mishap. Manipur advocate found dead in suspicious manner at Delhi. Manipur Mail. Cabinet approves Citizenship Amendment Bill 2019. Manipuri culture in international arena, says Governor. Manpack on CAB. Funds for Northeast states. And before we wind up the top news headlines once again. "122 members in Rajya Sabha already supporting CAB, says BJP sources. Northeast police heads meet to stop smuggling in region. And Centre taking different approach to CAB, says Meghalaya Chief Minister. Well, that's all for now. Stay tuned to Times of Manipur.